Hi everyone. Today, what we are going to discuss here to measure the molecular size of oleic acid. So, why we have chosen oleic acid? Oleic acid, the size of the molecule of oleic acid is larger comparatively other molecule. And moreover, the oleic acid is a soapy liquid. So, as you already know, size of the molecule is very large. So we are going to find the size of this oleic acid in an indirect way. So for that, what are the procedures to follow? Okay. So what is the first procedure is that take 1 cm cube of oleic acid and mix it with alcohol to produce or to make 20 cm cube of total volume. 1 cm cube of oleic acid, mix it with the alcohol to make a solution of 20 cm cube. So what is the concentration of this solution become? The concentration of this solution now become 1 by 20 cm cube of oleic acid per cm cube of the solution. Clear? So the concentration has changed 1 by 20. Now the next step is that again take 1 cm cube of this solution, the mixed solution, and add it with the alcohol to make once again 20 cm cube. Right? So 1 cm cube of this solution again add with the alcohol to produce a total of 20 cm cube. So here concentration is now reduced. So what is the new concentration of the solution become? The new concentration of solution is now here 1 by 400 cm cube or 1 by 20 into 20, right? Cm cube of oleic acid per cm cube of solution. So the concentration now reduced, right? What is the next step is that take a flat trough. Take a flat trough and you take some water. On the water surface, you sprinkle some lycopodium powder. Lycopodium powder. After adding lycopodium powder, what we are going to do here? We are going to add our new solution is there now, but we are taking few drops of the solution, or we can say that n drops of solution we are taking, and we are adding this n drops of solution into this flat trough containing lycopodium powder as well as the water. Now, how many drops we have added? N drops of solution. So what is the total volume of these n drops? NV cm cube. Now you can see here, while you add this one, this solution reduce the surface tension of the water, and this solution, especially solution means what? Alcohol and oleic acid will spread. So what will happen? The lycopodium powder drawn away. Or if you see starting itself, you may be seeing that there is a shape of a circular ring or circular shape. It won't be circular shape always. After some time it will become an irregular shape. So just before that it become irregular shape, you can find the area. How to find the area? By measuring the diameter of that circular ring, or to find the radius, and you can calculate the area equal to pi r square. That is a one indirect method. It's not a correct method, indirect method. Or you can use a tracer paper or a graph paper to measure the area of this membrane. We can say simply membrane here. Now, let's look at this case here. This solution consists of oleic acid as well as alcohol. When you are adding this one onto the water, the alcohol dissolve in water, or some alcohol evaporates away. So what will happen after some time? After some time, this membrane consists of only oleic acid, which is immiscible in the water. So you can find the area of this immiscible membrane. And now you can see here, what is the amount of oleic acid in the solution now? We have added some solution, right? N drops of solution. What is the amount of oleic acid in this solution? That is equal to N divided by 400 into V. Or we can simply write the N into V by 400. So we are going to find the thickness. Thickness means what? We are actually finding the diameter of the molecule. Now we have made a monolayer of oleic acid molecule. This monolayer consists of only oleic acid. The already mixed alcohol either dissolved in water or remaining evaporated. Now what we are going to calculate, what is the thickness of this film or thickness of this layer? The layer consists of only oleic acid. So in order to calculate the thickness, we are using the formula, the volume is equal to area into thickness. So how to calculate the thickness here? Thickness of the film is equal to volume of the film divided by area of the film. So we got the equation as volume of the film we have already calculated. That means the film consists of only oleic acid. So its amount of oleic acid in the solution is NV divided by 400 cm cube. So we got the equation as volume of the film is NV by 400 divided by area centimeter, and that is the thickness of the film. Here thickness of the film means approximately it is the size of the molecule. Now if you do this calculation or this indirect method, if you are using the size of the molecule, we are getting approximately as 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So size of the oleic acid molecule we have approximately calculated using this indirect method, and the value is around 1 nanometer or 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So I hope it is understood. Thank you all of you.